Shout out my mucus. Can you know that be my slime? Shout out my mucus. That nigga, that be my slime. That nigga, that be my slime.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Simone, and yes, I am back with another video. If you guys don't know what this is, we are making salmon croquettes this morning. I have my pink salmon in the can, and as you guys know, I don't know if you do know, but you do have to pick the bones and stuff out of the salmon, which I've already done off camera just to save time. The seasonings that I've used are my seasoning all. I don't really know what this is. My boyfriend picked it out when we went grocery shopping, so that's what that is. Some parsley, some black pepper, some garlic salt, okay, and a little bit of my salt. And I use that many seasonings just because it is a lot of salmon, okay. And as you guys can see, I added my peppers and stuff in. You guys, I do have on gloves because this will get messy. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications to always be notified when I post. And anyways, let's just get into this cooking vlog. So, as you guys know, in order for your salmon croquettes to actually stick, you guys need to have an egg. So, we're going to just start off with one egg first. We're going to see what one egg does to it. And then we're going to take my fork that I just applied here. I'm going to sit you guys down right here. And then I'm going to show you guys how I mix this stuff. So you're just going to mix it all together. And like I said before, you guys, egg helps it stick. And if you're like me, okay, and you don't think one egg is enough, because I did use a whole can. I did use a whole can, and one whole can can make about, one whole can, I could say it make about 6 to 7 patties, depending on like how you use it. So for me, I don't think one egg is enough. So I'm gonna use another egg. I'm gonna crack it. I'm just gonna pour it into the bowl. And yeah. And you just wanna make sure you stir that up. If you guys watched my breakfast from yesterday's vlog when I used 3 eggs, 4 eggs in the French toast and 3 eggs, then that would explain why I have no eggs in this case. But I do have more eggs here, so I'm not really too much worried about it. So yeah, now that we have that do like that, we're gonna proceed to take our oil like this, and we're gonna apply it to our pan. Make sure to heat the pan up. And then, so now that we have my bowl of salmon and it's all seasoned, you guys, you're gonna just take a little bit in your hand. Mine's pretty big, depending on, you know, how many I want. Sorry, how many I actually want to eat. So yeah. So after that, you just want to, this is the one I put in first. So you just want to flip this. And when they become golden like this, that's how you know you cooked a good croquette. So that is about 3. I do still have one over here in the bowl. I'm going to actually do that one off camera and come back to you. Salmon croquettes are done. If you guys can see, okay. And now I am working on my grits. For my So as y'all can see, my cheese is actually melting. I did add a drop of butter, some more butter in there. So yeah, so we're just going to finish stirring this up. Let it sit for a little bit and then cook a little bit more, and then we're gonna go off camera to make our plate, and then we'll be done for this video. So, like I said before, these are my salmon. This is kind of the finished product. Now I have my spoon, so my grits. So I am only eating 2 of these, but I just put the third one on the plate just in case it might be busting. I got my hot sauce. Y'all know I have to have my water because my boyfriend be on my ass. Also, I'm trying to cleanse myself as well. I have my other phone. I have my tripod. And then I'm just on YouTube because I do have a lot of, you know, stuff I have to edit. I might watch my actual show I like to watch. So, yeah, you guys, this is the end of my cooking vlog or cooking tutorial. If you guys would like to see another video, shout out, actually comment in the comment section down below. I might actually film a video of how I deep clean my kitchen today. I'm not really sure, but this is the finished product. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. And this your girl K Simone, and I'm out. And make sure to stay tuned for your next freaking video.
I feel like a Gucci ad lib. Burn.